Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into the video. Apologies, I'm a little under the weather, so my voice sounds a little off. I may cough. But today I wanted to show you this exercise here and show you some more of these Microsoft tips. And if you look very closely, you'll see you have two different tables. And if you notice, the text in this row at the top is in a different direction. Also, we have this cell shaded as well. Okay, so that's one table. And then the other one over here, we have similar table with direction. But if you notice over here at the bottom, we have we have a weekly total, and we also have a daily total here at the right. So we can actually use a formula on Word that's going to add these up for us so we don't have to do it manually. All right, so let's do a quick review. Hopefully you can see this part here. So again, if you want to open this up, you can click into search and then type in Word and open up Microsoft Word. Again, remember this has to be done, should be done on Microsoft, not on Google Docs. Okay, and then from here, you'll notice mine might look a little different than yours since I'm at home. But the first thing you want to do is to save it. And you can do that by going to File and Save or Save As. And I have some different options, but in general, we can hit Browse. And on your computer, documents should pop up. So I'm going to find my documents and we can just name it Word Exercise 5 and save. All right. So later on, you can find the file and submit it to Edsby. Okay, next. So let's start making this table or the two tables. Okay, so if we look, the first one here has 7 columns, and 7 rows. So it's going to be a 7 by 7 table. Okay, so again, we go to Insert, Side Home, Table, and we're going to go 7 by 7. There we go, 7 by 7. Okay, and then to turn this cell in the top left, the shaded black, we're going to go to, on yours, it might say Table Tools. Mine looks a little different, but it's under Design over here beside Help. And we're going to click on the shading button, shading, and turn that to black. Okay, right off the bat, that part is good. Now, the next thing you want to do is to change the direction of our text. So if we look at our row here, it says rooms 1 to 3, but it's in a different direction. So what we can do is actually type in rooms 1 to 3. Then click to the left, go to table layout, and then we can just press table direction until we get the correct one. Okay, then to center it, we can hit enter, and now it's in the middle. Okay, so from there, everything for that table is pretty standard. So I'll do one more for table direction. And hit enter. And now we have rooms 4 to 7 done. All right, so the next thing will be the other table. And this one, it's similar setup. So I'm not going to do the top. Maybe you can merge. I'll show you how to merge this top row here. But what we want to focus on are the cells and putting a formula in them. So what we're going to do, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 column, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 rows. So 5 columns and 7 rows. Okay, so remember to merge the top. You're going to highlight all of the cells in that row, right click, and say merge cells. And that's it. That's that part done. Okay, we already know how to do the second row, shading and changing the direction. So let me put this on Monday. And this is going to go into the third row here. And I'm going to punch in the numbers 134, 45, and 46. So from here, let's sum these numbers. And the way we do that is, again, going to table layout. Click on the table layout tab. And if you look, we have a formula button. And already automatically it's going to say equal sign sum left. So we need to make sure it says left, okay, and not above, or else it's going to copy the same number. Now you press OK, and now it has added up the numbers. Okay, I'm going to do this row here so we can get the bottom part as well. 134, 25. And I think I actually need another row here, 14, 48, 16. So this is a good practice as well. So if you run into this situation where you need another row, you can do a right click in this bottom row and go to insert, insert, and insert rows below. Okay, creating a new layer. And now we're going to go back to formula. And this time you'll see it's equal sign sum above. And now that's added all cells above. Okay, so today's main task is to complete this word exercise 5 and submit it to Edsby. And if you're finished early, you can move on to word exercise 5. And I would say do your best on this. If you're in my class, I'll see you in the next class to help you out. Okay, take care for now.